Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to go through setting up the Modern Hosting WordPress theme. I've got it here on a completely blank WordPress installation. It's the latest version, whichever that is, 3.51. So I'm going to go quickly through all using the documentation from it, because I have not worked with this template myself in about 6 months. So first thing, you download the zip, obviously, extract it, and move the Modern Hosting folder into your themes folder on your WordPress installation. I've already done that here. Open up the README for WordPress. Let's close that. That should be it. If you go into your WordPress, right, so first things first, theme options. Should have various options here. So I just put in some very basic information there. Next thing to probably go on to is the plans, I would think. So let's go into the hosting plans. Add a new one. Super cheap. Incredibly cheap hosting. Let's see, 250 gigabytes. Let's see, what did I say about cPanel in the So it's supposed to be yes with a capital Y by the looks of it. I'm guessing it doesn't make a difference if it's got a capital. And some more details. Slogan. See if I was supposed to include a print, didn't see. The thing for the order link, I believe, is say you have WHCMS, the hosting content management system. If you want it to link to the order page on that, you put in the link here. Otherwise, it goes to a single page on WordPress which has various details. which you've already put in here basically. Featured, whether it's in the featured bar at the top, and whether it's a top by where you get the green banner in the corner. Select that. What's the featured image? Shown on feature slider on the right. If none are provided, the server image is shown. Okay. I just leave it as the server image. I think that should be enough, right? Publish that. So that seems to be showing up fine. You got the details I put in here. 5 for less server image. So that's adding hosting plan. It shows up here as well in the other featured area with the little banner because I said so. I see 25.99. I should have put a currency in. So let's try with time. There we go. Okay. Next thing to do. Alright. Let's try adding pages to show the plans. Let's try that. Alright, so let's add some testimonials. So add new. Amazing, man. And we see the testimonial shows up here. So there's only one, and then add another one so we can cycle through. And they show up. Next thing, let's try adding the testimonials to the sidebar. Go to widgets. So that's index sidebar. It's all these down here by the looks of it. So let's remove those. And where is it? Add the testimonial. Choose one. Choose amazing, man. Add the title. And there we have testimonial. Positive customer review. While I'm on the sidebar, maybe we should add something else. Try a contact form. Leave it for now. Let's shows up. Next thing, let's add some adverts. Or actually, no, I'll leave that just now. I don't think I have any images kicking around. Add another hosting plan. This time I won't bother ticking the cPanel or the access or these sort of things, so they shouldn't show up. They really don't show up there, just got the simple numbered ones. And it shows up here because I put the featured by again. Top by, take that off, see if it removes the little banner. Should see these order links because I didn't put an order link in for this one. It goes to the single page where it gives you some options basically, and then the description, some things on the side. Whereas on the first one I put in a fake little link, so it takes you to an external link wherever you want. Okay. Next thing, let's try and add some pages. I think in the example when I had the hosting, all the different hosting plan pages shown. So let's add a new one. Select your template here. This is a plans page with 4 packs. I'll make it 2, seeing as it only has 2. Anything you write in here comes up before it, so your content for table. And then down here, select which plans you want to show and publish. I'll also create a page for plans, which is like an overview page. So if you've got a drop down menu, the plans page is on top, and then underneath that you've got 4 plans where you might have premium plans or reseller. It won't bother you showing any of them, and just a default template. Let's change the menu so we can show that. Create a new one, top menu. Make top menu the main menu. Obviously there's a footer menu as well. Let's put the plans and the 2 plans in this menu. Make 2 plans underneath plans. Save. And boom. You'll notice the little slight problem there where the grey bar, I'll try and sort that. Got this with the 2 plans shows up. And also if you go to the plans page, that's just the plans page, you'll notice the featured boxes showing up. I don't particularly like that, but you can go and disable that in the options, I believe. Show service domain lookup on archive on single posts on pages. So no, don't want it on pages. Don't really want to look on any of them either. And it disappears. So that's how to add plans. That's also how you add links to the top menu. I think what else is to be shown. Testimonials has been shown. Adverts, really simple. I'll show that soon. And network. It's also pretty simple, but I need to find some images first. Widgets, contact, widget, member login, really simple, you just drag them across. Menu positions, it's the top and the footer. So that's more or less it, apart from the adverts and the network and some other templates. So first of all, let's try the adverts. Remember them being particularly simple. See what the readme says. Title, link, and featured image. So title, theme forest. Set the featured image. As if by magic, I now have the images. So here's the theme forest one. Set featured image. Publish. Add another one for graphic river. Now if I go into the widget page, I should be able to add an add box, the sidebar, save. Now what that does is it just shows, super simple, it's got the image which is linked to the link which you put in. I believe the title is the title for the link, basically. So that's the adverts. Only thing else is the network. So let's add a network. Took some. So let's put network 2. So what's the readme saying? Title, content, link, featured image, and a black and white image URL. Right. Title, and this is network 2. Link. Links to network 2. I'll add the non-black and white version, which is called network 2. Set as featured. I also want to go add media. I'll upload the black and white version, which is network 2 VW. Get the link, which is here. Copy it. Paste it into the black and white image. is a website, not an image. That doesn't matter right now, I don't think. Publish that. And then if I make a page, new one, go to network, and make the template networks page, networks shown below, publish, and add it to the menu. It shows up there. It didn't show the black and white until I had another. I'll do that for you. Add another. Network 3. Upload the image. Upload the black and white version. Copy the link. Now the one that you're not hovered over turns black and white, so it sticks out a bit more. I think that's more or less everything that I can think of. These show up as standards. You know that's in the README how to edit these, I believe. I also did a screencast on adding your own taxonomies, so that doesn't need to be shown. The main lookup, that's simple. Let's go edit that manually. Oh, the blog and the homepage, I guess they've been encountering some problems. So first of all, let's try the homepage. So I can't remember a thing about this. Alright. So let's make a new page, call it home page, and put the content here. Make it template homepage. Publish. And go into settings, reading. Front page displays a static page called homepage. Save changes. Homepage. Pretty simple. Now we go into posts. Let's add another post just as an example. So put into uncategorized. Then let's go into our menu and categories, add uncategorized to the menu. Now when you go up, these should act as posts the way I have them. You might notice the paragraphs, I took that off on my installation, but on yours it should be fine. So that's how you add posts and get the date and things like that. Obviously go in, it's just a single post. You can change the widgets, so the sidebars only on this kind of thing. You know how you got the blog, this would be archive sidebar. Single sidebar is when you go into an actual post. Page sidebar is something like the plans or the network, they're all pages. And right sidebar, I think that's just a universal, so all different types basically. So if I put an ad box on the right sidebar, it should show up on all of them, and there you go, boom. And on the home page as well, and on the pages, yep. So I think that's everything. Showed you how to add things to the menu, how to do the plans, the various options in the plans, the options on this area here, making the home page a home page template, form, adverts, testimonials. Yeah, this is simple. This is just, you know, another menu but footer position, and these have options in the options page. This takes us through the latest posts. Also very simple. So I believe that's it. If you have, you know, any more problems, or you want me to go over something a bit more, you know, a bit more concise, then post it on ThemeForest or send me an email. I'm getting back into it, so I should be more available to give, you know, help.